Hey now, this is the kind of view you want, right? Well, this is where you can find it. It's here. Look at this. And you've got the apartment to match it up. It's gorgeous. Look at this. All white, beautiful natural wood colors, and a kitchen that looks like this. I mean, look at this. This is penthouse. This is Dallas Penthouse Living. Gorgeous white. It's phenomenal. Beautiful. Love it. Hey, you're cooking with gas too, right? Cooking with perfect, beautiful appliances. And look at that island. Even the island has a wine fridge and the microwave there. This is beautiful. What do you think about it? You like it? The bathroom and bedroom are also cool. We're going to see that in a minute. But tell me what you think about this. It's just gorgeous. Send me what your thoughts are. My text is below. Send me a text on my number below. Can't wait to hear from you. And check out these views. Wow.